to Jenny. I'm studying in Digital Media Arts in University Hertfordshire.
Yokai Tower is an installation art by making the paper models as the case for the hologram projection. The towers are used to trap the evil yokai that appear in the Heian period in Japan, and what I want is my audience can experience the amazing feeling when you can see the incredible creatures in your eyes. The audience can see the yokai's shadow from the window, and 3 of them are having a different shape. These 3 yokais are the popular yokai in Japan's yokai legend story and having the evil and violence history. The audience can look into the story while watching the animation of the installation. All the models' productions are handmaking and designed with my own. And you are free to take pictures and share them on social media if you want. Each of the towers is trapping with a different yokai and having a short animation that tells their legend story before or how are they becomes yokai.